Hi and welcome. I'm George Pearce. This video is about a new product that was just launched a couple of days ago. It's a product that you might want for yourself, and it's a product that you might also want to promote as an affiliate marketer. It's a product that you might want to sell. I want to share with you some absolutely mind-blowing details about this product. This is a product by Michael Cheney. If you're not familiar with Michael Cheney, he is an online marketing success, an online marketing guru, a seven-figure earner, and a straight-up marketer. The Millionaire Club is an example of one of Michael's ventures, one of Michael's many ventures that you might be familiar with. The new product that I want to share with you is called Partner and Profit. It's an opportunity to literally partner with Michael Cheney. The value is monstrous. The value is worth several thousands of dollars, and the cost is insanely low, $9.95. And that's actually one of Michael's trademarks, is to give you an insanely low price, kind of an offer that you can't refuse. Quote Michael, "I'm giving you an opportunity to skip all the work and just do what works, which is making money. And what's more, I'll show you exactly how to promote this business and how I make money from my business." So in other words, you might be interested in this opportunity personally as well as an affiliate marketer. Now, one of the reasons why you might want to consider affiliating with this product is because the commissions are 100%. 100%. Every penny is going to go in your pocket. You keep all the money. We're not just talking about $9.95. The sales funnel includes a $17.95 bump up, a $197 one-time offer, a $97 one-time offer, and another $97 one-time offer. So what that means is that your commissions actually range between $9.95 to $418.90. There are already over 1,000 sales in just 2 days. The average sale is $37.96. So since the commission is 100%, your average commission is $37.96, which isn't bad for a product that's easy to sell. The conversion rate is 7%. The visitor value is $2.12, and based on my experience, anything over about $2 should give you a positive return on your investment, even with paid advertising. But that's if you know paid advertising. If you're brand new, paid advertising will probably lose you money until you learn it, until you kind of pay your dues and kind of learn the process. In addition, of course, this is only 2 days old, but the refund rate at the moment is absolutely 0%, and that really says a lot about the product. And if you're familiar with pulse rate, the pulse rate is 127.68, and that's one of the highest that I have ever seen. Now, thanks to Michael Cheney's genius, Partner and Profit is technically a low-ticket item because it starts at $9.95, but because of the upsells, the one-time offers, the bumps, and so on, this has a potential of a high-ticket item. So this is like super perfect, especially for a beginner. The product also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, and according to Michael, you're either going to love it or you're going to get your money back. This is a ready-made business. It's already paid out over $140,000 in commissions in pre-launch. It's already paid out over $40,000 in 2 days during launch. Michael is not only almost giving this business away, you also want to check out the bonuses. He's giving you a couple $1,000s worth of bonuses as well. I was sincerely impressed. I'm sure you will be too. I invite you to check out Partner and Profit. You're going to find 2 links below. One is going to be to the product. One will be to Partners and Profit itself. The other is going to be to Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is the affiliate network, and you'll have to join Warrior Plus, which you can join for free, but you'll have to join Warrior Plus in order to be able to promote Partner and Profit. Once you join Warrior Plus, search for Partner in Profit. If you're finding value in this video, I certainly hope you are. Give it a big thumbs up. Turn that like button black. Do that right now. Thank you so much. And if you're interested in making money from home, I invite you to join my channel. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. And that way I'm going to be able to let you know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success. I'll see you in the next video.